In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Facebook business account on Meta Business Suite. If you no longer need your business portfolio, it's important to remove it the right way so you don't run into errors during the deletion process. I will walk you through the full process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and log in using an account that has admin access to the business you want to delete. This part is important because only an administrator can make permanent changes like deleting a business account. Once you are signed in, make sure you are in the correct business portfolio before moving on. After that, the next thing you need to do is disconnect or remove any assets that are still linked to the business. This can include connected Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, and WhatsApp business accounts. If these assets are still attached, Meta may not allow you to continue with the deletion. Take your time here and review everything carefully. If the business account owns or manages multiple assets, make sure each one is removed properly before going to the final deletion step. Once those connected assets have been removed, go to the Settings area inside Meta Business Suite. This is where the main business management options are located. In Settings, look for the section called Business Info. This page contains the core details related to the business portfolio, including the option to permanently remove it. When you are on the Business Info page, find the option that says Permanently Delete Business. Click on it and then carefully follow the on-screen instructions. Meta may ask you to confirm your decision, and in some cases, it may show warnings about what will be lost once the business is deleted. Read these messages closely so you understand the impact before confirming. Keep in mind that deleting a business account is a permanent action. Once completed, you may lose access to associated settings, permissions, and management history tied to that business portfolio. That's why it's always a good idea to double-check that you are deleting the correct one and that all important assets have already been handled. After you confirm the deletion, just wait for Meta to process the request. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.